This video will show you how to back up and restore your program data in the Windows version of PalmTech. PalmTech makes it easy to create a backup of your key files on a PC. This backup includes your templates, libraries, and settings, and once the backup is created, you're able to restore it onto another PC to move all those files to it. The first step is to open the PalmTech program. Next, we need to click on Support in the lower left corner. Here we have an option for Backup Program Data. Let's click on it. A message pops up letting us know that the backup has been created, and it tells us where it's located at on the computer. Let's click on OK. We can now move this file to where we need it. This is typically done either via email or with a USB drive. That is all there is to creating a backup and moving it to where it needs to go. If you're setting up PalmTech on a different computer, then you'll want to restore the backup on the new computer. Let's take a look at how this works. So we'll go ahead and close the windows that we have open. We'll say that we're setting up PalmTech on a new computer and we just installed the program. We then created a backup on our old computer and moved it to this one via email, so we're ready to restore it. To restore a backup, we'll need to open the PalmTech program and click on the Support tab. Here we have an option for Restore Program Data that we'll need to click on. The first screen that appears reminds us that by restoring a backup, we'll be replacing the current libraries and settings and templates on this PC. That's exactly what we want to do, so we'll click on Yes to continue. The next screen gives us an option of creating a backup of the current information first. This is a good idea if there's a chance that you may want to go back to the current setup that you have. For this purpose, though, we're going to say no. Now we need to navigate to the backup that we want to restore. We'll say that we downloaded it from our email and we put it in our Downloads folder, so we'll navigate there. When we see it, we'll click on it and then click on Open. A message pops up that says the restore is complete, and to complete the process, we need to close and restart the program. Once you do this, your backup will be restored and your libraries, templates, and settings from the backup will be active. This concludes a video on backing up and restoring program data.